Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to find or search all your resources in your Google Cloud account. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. So first you go to the Google Cloud console, then you search for asset inventory. You select the first one. And now you can see a general overview of your resources. You have a few charts with some information. Then you go to resource and see more detailed information. You also can filter by resource type, project, location. For example, we want to check our storage buckets. We select this one, then click on this one. No, and it sends you directly to your bucket. You can do the same, for example, with subnet. Let's select the first one. And you can see all the details. You can also export this information, this table, and this asset inventory is in admin panel, and then here asset inventory. So hopefully this video was useful for someone, and if you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.